Welcome to the miracle that is you. I'm Skip, and it's good to have this chance to talk to you about the miracle of us. And thank you for being here. Breathe in and breathe out. I'd like you to join me on a journey of discovery as we explore the greatest miracle any of us will ever experience, our own existence. Breathe in and breathe out. On our journey, we will explore what it means to be human, but beyond that, what place we hold in the vast range of living beings that inhabit our planet, and what relationship we all have to all the forces, matter, and energy that make up this, our universe. Breathe in and breathe out. The fact that we live on a tiny blue dot in the dark and silent vastness of everything we can see and know only serves to emphasize just how very special each and every living organism is. Breathe in and breathe out. Life itself is possibly the greatest wonder of them all. We have no way of knowing for sure whether we have company on other planets orbiting the stars. For sure, there are more than enough places in the known universe where life of some sort or another might or will exist. Breathe in and breathe out. What we do know is that life flourishes on this wondrous ball in space that we are privileged to call home. And we are a part of it, a part of the great family of life on Earth. We have a finite term in any given body and dependent on reproduction to enable each species of life to continue. As physical lives end, so many others make a start. As a human being, each of us holds a special place in the pantheon of life on Earth. As far as we know, no other life form has been developed with such a wide range of abilities. But what is it that truly sets us apart? Breathe in and breathe out. While we understand that we are the most advanced form of life that has ever existed, we must never forget that we are cousins of every other living thing, or that we are no more than mere guardians of the paradise we find ourselves in. Breathe in and breathe out. And yet, we know that we are special. We are miraculous. We share many features and abilities with other animals. Our cells are virtually identical to all other animals. In fact, they aren't so different from plant cells. Every living thing is a child of the universe. Breathe in and breathe out. Our such body structure, organs, skeletons, central nervous system are pretty much the same as every other mammal, and we share most of it with every species there has ever been. Breathe in and breathe out. So what is it that sets us apart? You don't need to think about it, but you are performing a miracle right now. By contemplating your place in the universe, you are one of a kind. Come with me while we take a trip into your own brain. Drift amongst the neurons and the synapses that join them. Breathe in and breathe out. What do you see? Old thoughts being pulled out and mulled over, new memories being made and stored. Does your brain house your mind, your consciousness? Watch as different parts of your brain are activated and lit up by new stimuli. Breathe in and breathe out. Information arrives from your senses. You feel something, hear something, smell something, imagine something. Each new input directed by an invisible hand to the neurons best suited to sort, analyze, filter, weigh and decide on a particular course of action for that precise piece of information to connect you to the miracle of who you are. Breathe in and breathe out. Within milliseconds, those neurons send instructions to every other part of your body to tense these muscles, increase the flow of that chemical, and now follow one of those instructions, maybe an electrical impulse down to a main nerve stem. With no conscious effort on your part, but at the speed of light, you've arrived at your target. Breathe in and breathe out. Where are you? Ah, yes, the adrenal glands, just by your kidneys. The signal has been sent to slow down the flow of adrenaline, to reduce your heart rate. Your completely relaxed in your meditation. Breathe in and breathe out. Flow into your bloodstream as it oxygenates and delivers nutrients to every organ, every skin cell, every muscle. Travel down ever narrower veins and capillaries until you reach the walls of a single cell. Marvel at the wonders of the universe that allow you to squeeze through an outer skin and enter the energy workshop of your body and every living thing on earth. Breathe in and breathe out. You are now one of trillions of cells that make up your body. Watch in amazement as the nutrients you brought with you are converted into usable energy. Give thanks as waste materials and toxins are ejected for removal from your body, and be grateful as the DNA in your cell replicates itself, allowing the cell to divide and create new strength and life, renewing every part of your body many times throughout your lifetime. Breathe in and breathe out. See the miracle of oxygen and other nutrients creating energy and giving off carbon dioxide. Catch a lift on one of those molecules as it drifts past you on the way out through the skin of the cell and back into the bloodstream to reach your lungs. And breathe in and breathe out, which carries you back out into the wide world to join the air that surrounds and supports us every day, day after day, in the never-ending dance of life. Give thanks to this miracle of existence and remember that your path is unfolding as it should. Breathe in and breathe out. And just take a few moments now to allow the music to wash over you while you have a new understanding that you are the miracle, that every heartbeat is the miracle, that everything living is the miracle, and to have a higher level of respect and honor for your part in this game of life and other people's roles in your game of life to help you grow, to help you expand, to help you break through any challenge, to help you to become more, so that your miracle becomes an example to somebody else. Breathe in and breathe out. Good. And just getting a little bit of movement now in your fingers, a little bit of movement in your toes, appreciating this miracle, which is your mind and your body, giving it what it needs from good thoughts, good emotions, a good environment, good relationships, good nutrition, and good feelings. As we take a deep breath in, as you slowly open your eyes to take the light in, appreciating you, appreciating others, appreciating life, as you now go to share your miracle with the world. I'm Skip. Live strong, live healthy, live long. Make sure you live now with the nutrients, oxygen and water. And for now, I'm out of here.